Hello everyone, welcome back to Automation Engineer channel. Today I will continue with the part 4 of the Simatic PCS 7 series. Last time I already programming for basic of the CFC of the motor. Today I will input more text for this object. Firstly about the interlock here. I will convert the logic here. We come to the property. Okay, I will convert the logic from R to N. Okay, this module already is N. I will add two conditions into this interlock. Before doing it, I need to add two more PCS 7 digital input module. We come to library here, we search for PCS 7. Okay, digital input here. Or we can copy the digital input here. To save the workspace for programming, I will shorten the property of the digital input here. Shorten by this way. We double click on this object, we come to the I/O. Because the digital input we just need two pins. Firstly the BV in and secondly BV out. So we come to the I/O tab here and expand the name and the column is invisible here. The property we don't need to show, we will tick on it. So the PV in we keep here, and the Siemens we don't need. Siemens don't need here, don't need. Here we keep the BVL. Okay, so you can see the PCS digital input here is shortened, and we save the space. Say, okay, I will delete this. Yes, and I will copy and paste. Here we grab to here. No, I delete. Yes. Config here. This is the feedback running of the motor. Here. Okay, this PVL will connect to the input number 1, and I will copy here. Input number 2 here. Okay, now I will connect the stack to the digital input number 1 here. We right click and interconnection to a thread. I will select the level switch high 6101 input. And for the second condition, I will select for the valve. The valve 1101 open feedback here. Okay. Next step, I will create the internal tag and connect to the start auto and stop auto of the motor. Here, I will connect to two input here, start auto and stop auto. We come to here, the jack I/O. We come to the input here. I will go create two internal tags here. First the pump file 121 here, stack auto. The data type I will select the poolant. We'll create the tag number 2. Stop auto. Okay. And next step, to input start auto and stop auto, we need to copy 2 modules of digital input. I copy here. Now we can rush here. We delete. No. And copy. Okay. We will rearrange the object later. Firstly, I will connect the PVL here to the stack auto. The second here, stop auto. Sorry. Okay, stop auto. And the PV in of the stack auto, I will connect to. No, we will select the interconnect to chat IO. We select the stack auto here. Okay. And for the stop auto, we interconnection to chat IO. Select the stop auto here. Okay. So this is the basic programming for a pump, a motor. That's the manual programming. This will help you understand how to program at the beginning of the CFC. Now I will show you how to use the library, the template from PCS 7 Advanced Process Library. I will program for one Valve2Way. Okay, first step, we come back to the Simatic Manager. Okay, I will close this first. We select file here, we open, and we come to the library tab, and we select the PCS 7 Advanced Process Library. Here we double click on it, and this is the template. Okay, and this is the block, and this is the template. We go to the template. In this template list, we have a lot of objects here. We have the analog monitoring, digital monitoring, we have PID, we have the motor to speak, we have the PID control link, and we have drive here, cascade control link here. We have the 1-2-way, then the one link. Okay, I will select the 1-2-way. We double click on it, and this is the programming of the Valve2Way. Okay, I will go detail, but this is the CFC program in the template. Okay, and our program here. This is our program. So this is the program for the motor. I will close. and we come back to the Simatic manager here. We come to the plan view. Okay, I will create one object for the valve. Insert new object CFC, the valve 1, and we double click on it. Okay, this is our program, and this is the template on the library. So we can copy this program. We press the control and A to select all, and control C to copy, and we come to our program here and control V to paste on object. Okay, so I will close the program of the library. Close it. Okay, I will explain a little bit about this program. You can see we have the object, the module for Valve2Way here. In the output, here we have the output. We have 1, 2, and 3 module PCS7 digital output here, and you can see the BV in connect to the control V0. We click on the Valve2Way here and press F1 to see the property. Description. We have occupy, Pex, and Siemens. Here a lot of property here. Position control here. Okay. And we come to the mode here, the function. We come to the control and monitoring here. The view, we come to the view, standard view here. This is the standard view. It will show on the SCADA. Parameter view, review, block icon for the Valve2Way. Block icon, and the status here. The valve open, it will green. The error, it will red. Opening, it means the transition. It will the light green. Valve close is black. Valve closing, it will green, but with the medium level here. Okay, we come back to the here. In this valve, we have 3 control V here, and in the for the input we have the feedback. We have 3 feedback, and we have some. This is the permit, and we also have the interlock here. Interlock because the diagram is so complex, so we can use this shortcut here. And this is the protect for the valve. This is the feedback of the error. So a lot of property. Okay, we will go detail in the next video. I will show you later. After copy the programming, we need to map the I/O for the valve here. This is just a temporary tag. Okay, that's the basic programming for the CFC. The next step, I will run the CFC with the PLCSim. We come back to the Simatic Manager and open the component view here. We click on the primary PLC here and open the PLCSim. Then we open the hardware config. Come to the hardware config here. We click on save and compile. Okay, then we download. Okay. Okay. I will input the NOT address. Okay, just see 192.16.4. Sorry. Something wrong here. Okay, I already know the mistake. The mistake we need to come to the PLCSim when we select the connection type here. We select the TCP/IP here, and we come back to the hardware config, and we right click on the primary PLC, and we click on the download. Click on OK. OK. And this is the address of my computer. It's also the address of PLCSim. We click on the OK. Okay, now we come to the CFC. The CFC here. We click on the save and compile, and we untick the generate the module driver. Click on the OK and wait for it. The result is the 0 errors. The warning is we'll see it later. First, but no error is good. Glow. Compile is done, so click on the download here. We select the primary PLC. Okay. Entire program here. Okay. Yes. Okay. So the download without the error. We close it. We come back to the PLCSim. We select the run program here. Okay. We come back to CFC and click on the test mode here. Okay. So now the test is running. Now if we want to monitor the input and the output value of the motor here, we press the control button on the keyboard and we click on the pump here and wait for it. Okay. So this is the current value of the input and the output of the pump. In this video, I don't connect the input and output to the real I/O, but in the real life, if we do on site, you can see the value here. will change. So that's done for programming for the CFC. In the next video, I will show you how to program with the SFC, the sequential. Yes. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next video.